Welcome to Marshmallow and Mochi English Studio. We're so glad you're here in our studio today. A lot of people say no problem at work.
I say it almost every day.
Then this video might surprise you.
That sounds dangerous already.
Sometimes no problem sounds colder than people expect.
Really? I thought it sounded friendly.
It can sound friendly, but it depends on the emotional situation.
Especially in meetings?
Yes, especially when someone thanks you seriously.
Oh no, I think I already made this mistake.
Probably more than once.
Please don't say that.
Imagine this situation.
Okay.
Your manager says that thank you for fixing the slides last night.
And I say no problem.
That sounds a little emotionally flat.
Flat is exactly the feeling.
Right, it sounds short and emotionally closed.
I thought short answers sounded cool.
Sometimes they do, but sometimes they sound distant.
English is stressful.
Emotional tone matters a lot.
So, what sounds warmer?
You're welcome.
That already sounds softer.
Exactly, it sounds more emotionally open.
Happy to help.
That sounds very warm and positive.
I think I would sound much nicer with that.
You definitely would.
I feel like no problem removes emotion.
That is a very natural observation.
So it is not wrong, it just changes the feeling.
Exactly.
I think that is the hardest part of English.
Not grammar?
No feelings.
Honestly, I agree.
Can we compare them directly?
Of course.
Thank you for helping today.
No problem.
That feels a little cold now.
Now listen to this.
Thank you for helping today.
You're welcome.
Wow, that sounds much warmer.
The emotional tone changes immediately.
Okay, one more.
Go ahead.
Thank you for staying late.
No problem.
That sounds tired.
Exactly. Now listen again.
Thank you for staying late.
Happy to help.
That sounds so much kinder.
It creates emotional warmth.
I never realized small phrases mattered this much.
Native speakers notice emotional tone very quickly,
That is scary.
but also useful.
True.
Now imagine a different situation.
Okay.
Your teammate says, "Sorry for asking so many questions."
No problem.
That actually sounds more natural.
Really?
Yes, because the conversation is casual and relaxed.
So relationship matters too.
A lot.
That changes everything.
Emotional tone always depends on the relationship, the situation, and the energy.
That sounds complicated.
It is, but you are already noticing the patterns.
I think I understand emotional English better now.
Good, that is the real goal.
Can we practice before I forget everything?
Of course. Repeat after me. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Happy to help. Happy to help. Happy to help. Of course. Of course. Of course. Glad to help. Glad to help. Glad to help.
Those sound much warmer.
They really do.
I still want to use no problem sometimes, though.
That is completely okay.
So I just need to notice the feeling?
Exactly. That is the important part.
English feels much more emotional than I expected.
That is why natural conversation is so interesting.
I think I sound friendlier already.
You definitely did.
Okay, I am never replying with only no problem to my manager again.
That is probably a good idea.
This video may have saved my career.
At least your meetings. Thanks for watching.
English is not just words.
It's feelings too.